So I just wanted to come on here and share my experience with the Daydreams from Lilac Street. And I just filmed the video of me wearing the Daydreams for the first time. And now I am washing them. And this is what I usually do. I take them off or take my lashes off on Friday, put them in a little thing of alcohol, and I just use 91% alcohol. 70% is fine too. But yeah, I just let them sit in there for at least a day. But usually it ends up being longer. Like today is Tuesday. So I've had them in here since Friday night. And a lot of the times I'll wait till like Thursday, sometimes even Friday to clean them just because I'm lazy and then, I don't know. So it's not that these lashes have been in here too long because all of my other ones have been in the alcohol solution for like a week and have been fine. But I noticed something with the Daydreams and when I was cleaning them. And this is like my lash graveyard. This is from yesterday. I was doing it last night, so I didn't film last night, but this is like reminiscent of like when I used to wear Lashify. I would try to clean them and at some point you're just like, okay, that's not worth it. And this one fell apart. So I was a little disappointed. I mean, really, you can't really blame them because these are not made specifically, like they don't say to like clean them and rewear them, but I have been, and I've been doing it for like over a year already. And all the other lashes that I've tried have been fine. Immediately when I look into this little jar, this looks like how the Lashify lashes would look, kind of like scrunched down. Usually when I wash my Lilac Street ones, they're still kind of fluffy, like they take up a lot of space in here. So these are kind of like squashed down. And then when I took out this one and I'm trying to clean it, yeah, it just totally broke apart, which is so crazy to me. And it's not just one of them, it's pretty much all. So I don't know what it is about the Daydreams, but I think they're not made equally. And when I look at it closer, let me get a tweezer. If you take a look at the band is not solid black like the rest of the lashes. Okay, it's really hard. It does look black in here, but if you look a little bit closer, it looks translucent or like gray. So I have a feeling it's whatever they use for the band is different than the regular lashes. Like, let me grab a pair. Okay, so this is the Daydreams and this is the volume. And I've been wearing, like, it's so shocking to me that they're breaking apart just because I've tried on so many, right? I've bought almost every single set and I've been wearing them over and over, and maybe one of the clusters has broken on me. So this is like crazy that they're all breaking. So like even this volume 14 that I've been wearing, I've worn this at least 4 times already. So if you look at the band, sorry, I have to redo my nails. It's solid black and it's pretty stiff, right? So this one, it washed okay, but it was still not great. The band is a little less black on the Daydream. So hard to get it on camera. But it looks like and it kind of also feels like a plastic, like, when you wear false lashes and the band is like one of those clear ones that are more flexible. I don't like those. I don't know. They're like thicker. So like this one, it's more solid and it is thinner and it's more, I guess, stable. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know because I did enjoy wearing the Daydreams and they wore fine, When I had them on, they were totally fine. I did notice those sides were a little pokier on the 12s, on the inside and outside, but I chalked it up because I was rushing. If you saw that video, I think I did my lashes in like 7 minutes or something, or I don't know, 12 minutes. But yeah, so wearing them is fine. If I know not everyone washes their lashes because it is a pain in the butt. Actually, it's not that hard, but just remembering to do it and doing it every week because I change them every week. Sometimes, you know, and then they're so cheap, right? Each pack is $7. So it's not, you know, not the end of the world if you just wear a new one every time, right? And they always look nice and fluffy. So these are for the people that wash the lashes like me. And yeah, just want to come on here and say that the Daydreams are not the best for that. And yeah, so I'll let you guys know if this ever comes up again. I don't think it's a quality issue with Lilac Street. I think they just made a different style and it just happened to have, you know, a different band. I do have one more set that I'm gonna try on next time I have time to film. And this is the French lace. So I have not worn these yet, but these do not look like they have the same band as the Daydreams. It looks like the normal solid, thin, solid black kind of band. And that's why I like Lilac Street like better than anything else, because the band part is so thin, it makes it so comfortable. Like when I use Lashify, the band part is thicker, but yeah, it breaks more too. I want to say this one breaks apart because it's like a plastic, like a silicone looking band. I really wish I could like get that on camera better. Like if you can see that it's a little bit shiny instead of solid matte black like the other ones. But yeah, just wanted to share that. I'm not even going to bother trying to wash the rest of these because even the ones that I washed, when I touch them, they are like falling apart. And this one is a 12 and it's actually really pointy right there. So yeah, I don't think it's worthwhile to do it. I'll just, I guess, show you guys on camera real quick. So this Sigma brush, I've used this in like all of my other lash cleaning videos. It's so good. See, yeah, it's like falling apart already. Let's see, try a smaller one. Yeah, usually when I put them in alcohol, they don't clump up like this. That's like very like the Lashify Ace would do that. And then I'm just like, that's so not worth it. So yeah, just wanted to let you know. I will be doing another try on video with the French lace 12, 14, and 16s next time I'm able to film. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.